Everyone needs healthy boundaries to live a balanced and happy life. Boundaries help protect your mental, emotional, and physical well-being. They define what you are comfortable with and how you want others to treat you. First, understand what boundaries are. Boundaries are limits you set to protect yourself. They can be about your time, energy, personal space, emotions, or values. Without clear boundaries, people might take advantage of you or drain your energy. Why are healthy boundaries important? They help you build respect in relationships. When you have boundaries, others know your limits. This prevents misunderstandings and reduces stress. Healthy boundaries also help you say no without feeling guilty. How to set boundaries. Start by knowing your needs and limits. Think about situations where you feel uncomfortable or overwhelmed. These feelings show where boundaries are needed. Next, communicate your boundaries clearly and calmly. Use simple statements like, "I need time to myself," or "I don't like to be interrupted when I'm working." Being direct helps others understand what you expect. It is important to stay consistent. If you allow your boundaries to be crossed sometimes, people might ignore them. Stand firm and remind others if they forget. Setting boundaries also means saying no when you need to. Saying no is not selfish. It is a way to protect your well-being. You can say no politely and firmly. Remember, setting boundaries is a skill that improves with practice. It may feel uncomfortable at first, especially with close family or friends, but with time it becomes easier and leads to healthier relationships. Healthy boundaries help you take care of yourself and create balance in life. They give you space to grow and feel safe. Everyone deserves to have boundaries that protect their peace. Start today by identifying one area where you need a boundary. Communicate it clearly. Protect your time, your feelings, and your space. Healthy boundaries are the key to a happier, more peaceful life.